So we're going to be changing out the idle air control valve, which is back here. It's kind of tucked in there, so we're going to start by taking off the air intake just to give ourselves some more room to work. And then we'll go from there. So you're going to have an 8mm here and an 8mm here. And then you're just going to basically pull all this off, disconnect this hose right here, or you can just pull it out like that, okay? And we'll go from there. So here's the part. So there's this hose, which also connected to the air cleaner, so we took that off. So that's gonna come out. Then there's that screw. And then I think the other one is down here underneath. So it's kind of tucked in there. You could take off the wiper cowl if you want, but that involves removing the wipers. It's kind of a pain, so it might be easier just to do it this way. So what I'm going to do is take off this bracket. So there's one 10mm that goes right here. Get that out of the way. And the other one is back here. So if I can get that one off, I can actually get this bracket out of the way and then get to that bottom bolt. It should come off. And if it's helpful, you can like kind of pull these hoses off too. Just give yourself more room to work. So once that bracket's clear, you pretty much have access, and you have an 8mm. So let me just show you how I'm getting to the bottom one here, just like that. You know, get in there with your, this is a 1/4" ratchet, which makes it a lot easier. Then on the top, I actually had to go in from behind like this under the hose with my deep socket 8. So that's pretty much what I'm doing. Once I had the bolts removed, I went ahead and pulled it out this way. You've got to unplug it right there. And then I went ahead and pulled it out this way. And there is a hose too that goes on it. I'm gonna actually reattach that now before I start installing everything. This is the hose. So it goes on like that, and then it feeds back into the air cleaner. So once you have it off, I just left the hose connected, but I'm gonna try to see if I can put it on while the part is installed. Otherwise, I'll just pull it back off, put the hose on, and then put everything back together. So I ended up just backing it off a little bit so I could connect the hose there. Don't forget about the gasket though. The gasket's very important. So what I would recommend is get one bolt, line the gasket up, get the top bolt started to hold the gasket in place, and then put the bottom bolt in, and then just kind of tighten them evenly. So just kind of set it up like that, and then hold on to that bolt as you set the part in place. All right, there you go. So the part is installed, and I just need to tighten those up.